How to create poll on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Official Help Desk. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of Messenger. Now open your Messenger. You will land to the chat section. Now open the conversation where you want to create poll. Please note that you can create poll only on group chats. So open any of the group chat. Now at the bottom you'll find different options. Tap on this plus icon given at the bottom left corner. With that, you will find two icons, location icon and poll icon. Tap on the poll icon. From here, you can easily create poll. Firstly, type in the question. After you type in the question for your poll, type in the options. You can add as many options as you want. Here, I will be adding 3 options. After you are done with question and options, you can tap on this option of create poll. With that, now in your conversation, you will find the poll. If you want to vote for the poll, you can tap on this option of vote. Now you can select your option and then tap on submit. Also, you will be able to change your vote by tapping on this option of change vote. So this is how you can create poll on Messenger. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.